Hey, Jonathan Rowland here. I'm the CEO of MyChurch.Events, bringing you the latest on things you can see and do with our frequently updated events guide. Let's go.
Get ready.
This Saturday, 6 p.m. at the 102 Drama Studio, UCL Institute of Education, an evening with Open Doors UK takes place. Open Doors serves persecuted Christians around the world by providing vital support, delivering resources and providing training. The UCL Gospel Society will be joined by Peter Hopper, the youth manager of Open Doors UK, who will be delivering a range of workshops and talks on worldwide Christian persecution. MyChurch.Events for full details. Philippa Hanna and her full band will be live with her comeback fighting concert this Saturday 7 p.m. at the Junction 28 Church. Philippa Hanna is an acclaimed British singer-songwriter currently splitting her time between Sheffield, Nashville and a hectic international touring schedule. Since her first public performance with an acoustic guitar in 2007, Philippa has released 5 albums, a live DVD and has 2 autobiography books published. Tickets to this event include a donation to cancer research. The award-winning London International Gospel Choir, LIGC, is bringing Summertime Soul to central London with their concert Glorious. It takes place this Saturday, 7:30 at St James Piccadilly. With nearly 100 members, LIGC is one of the largest open choirs in London and is known for their exceptional professionalism, soloists and group harmonies. If you're up for a night of up-tempo gospel and pop, performed with boundless energy, this is one not to be missed. MyChurch.Events for full details. We're always being asked about advertising more of these events, so here you go. London Christian Singles are putting on their friendly lunch where there is absolutely no need to register, just turn up. It takes place this Saturday 12:30 p.m. at the Spaghetti House in Marylebone. This event is for Christian single ladies and single men. Spray some perfume on, spray some cologne on, get there and everyone will order and pay for your own meal and let the connections begin. Don't say I haven't hooked you up. MyChurch.Events for full details. Oh man, I just can't fit any more in. So check out MyChurch.Events for a full listing. From coffee mornings, concerts, seminars to theatre shows, hashtag MyChurch Events to be in a know. Jonathan Rowland, MyChurch.Events signing out.